Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to total up the amount that I have in all my sinking funds for the end of December 2021 so I can compare it to next year. If there's something you're interested in, stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. So this is one thing I dropped the ball on in 2021. I did not keep up with, you know, how much I saved in my sinking funds, so I'm gonna try to do better. So since this is the end of the year, I'm just gonna go on here and just write the ending balance so I can you know, just compare it to next year so I can see how much I saved for the entire year. So these are my high priority in blue and these are my low priority in yellow. I also have a business binder. I'm not gonna count those sinking funds, and my vacation binder, I'm not gonna touch those because those two binders are ones that I pull out of on a regular basis. So we're just gonna go with my high priority right now and we're gonna see what Mrs Vee has. So I hope you guys are having a great day. Mrs Vee has $450, so I'm just gonna write the total over here so I can have something to compare it to. Erica has $30, and then I'll just add up the total amount that's saved. Make me feel like I really did something. Fitness and health has $5. 1 month ahead has $260. Self-care has $10. I'm not gonna count investments. Subscriptions has $2. Okay, I done got off. Wait a minute. Self-care has $10. Yeah, that's right. Home has $50. What happened to car? Oh, car has $0 and home has $50. So that's all we have in that binder. So we're gonna go to my low priority and see what we have over here. Not much, because Mrs Vee uses her money. Christmas has $5 left. That's great. Entertainment has $0. Giving has $11. Good grades has $0. My granddaughter just got all that money out of there. Medical has $200. New car has $200 also. Support small, $0. Taxes has $300. And unbudgeted has $0. So I'm gonna add all these up and just see what the total is. All right, let's clear this out. So we got 450, 30, 30. Oh, you can't see it. 30. So far we got 510. Then we got $5 plus 260 plus 10 plus 2 plus 50 plus 5 plus 11 plus 200 plus 200 plus 300. Okay, more than I thought. So we saved a total of $1,553. So yeah, so I'll compare this at the end of December of next year, see how much we can save during the year. I know I'm gonna take it, you know, be adding and subtracting all year, but I just want to see what the end's gonna be at the end of next year. So that's gonna be one thing I'm gonna try to keep better track of, is my sinking funds. So that's it. That's gonna conclude this video. This is Mrs Vee. I'm gonna continue to show you love, and I'm always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you and have a nice day. Look at this cute pen my sister gave me for Christmas. Look at the angel. I need an angel over these sinking funds so they can grow.